So guys, today we will start the Jenkins pipeline. What is Jenkins pipeline? A Jenkins pipeline is a series of automated steps. It is a series of automated steps for build, test, and deploy. For build, test, and deploy, which is defined in code to help us to implement continuous integration and continuous delivery. So what is the purpose of the Jenkins pipeline? Is to build, is to test, and is to deploy the application, which means to achieve the or to implement the continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery. A pipeline is a Jenkins job written as the code, that is Groovy script, that defines how to or how your application is built, tested, and deployed. Means instead of using the AI, I will write instead of clicking the buttons on the Jenkins UI every time, you can automate everything using the Jenkins file. Using the Jenkins file. Okay. Now, types of pipelines. Okay. Types of pipelines. There are two types of pipelines. One is declarative pipeline. The second one here is scripted pipe. Okay. Now we will try to understand what is a declarative pipeline. Declarative pipeline. Very easy to write, which uses pipeline block syntax. Next one here is scripted pipeline. Uses groovy scripting and is more flexible and advanced. And advanced. Now, key concepts of writing the pipeline. The first one here is the node. The second one here is stage. Third one here is step. Fourth one here is edge. So basically, whenever you want to start writing the pipeline, these components are very, very important here. Okay. Now let's understand what is node, what is step, what is agent, and everything. Node. A machine. A machine can be treated as a master or it can be treated as an agent where Jenkins runs the job. The next one here is a stage. Logical sections, build, test, and deploy. Next one is a step. Individual commands executed at each stage. Next one is agent. Defines where the job runs, which means agent runs on any available node. Okay. Right. Now, I want to write a Jenkins pipeline to run a Java file. For that, we need the Jenkins setup, right? So, firstly, I'm going to write, I just want to create one instance here. AWS console, sign in into the console. Okay, here is the account. So what I'm doing here, the steps I'm writing, see, steps. Create an EC2 instance, which is an Ubuntu. Second one here is connected to the instance either by using putty or MobaX. Third thing, install Jenkins. Okay, install Jenkins. For that, we need the JDK setup and then install Jenkins. Fourth step is write the Java code. Okay. Test the Java. And now set up the Jenkins dashboard and create a pipeline project. Now write a pipeline and execute that. Now write a pipe. Okay. So I will do all these steps very quickly. So I'm launching my instance here. I'm taking the Ubuntu. And here I'm just choosing T2 medium. I'm creating the key pair like pipeline. And I just want to use the security group here. Okay, I'm just picking up 15 GB here. Now launch the instance. Now view all instances. And then now please connect with the instance. But before that, please enable all traffic here. Edit inbound rules. All traffic. Save this. Now connect with the instance. So here I'm using the MobileX. And then choose the session. SSH. Specify the username here as Ubuntu and attach the key pair. Now click on OK. Now I got connected with my instance. Switch to the super user. Update the instance. And here I'm just going to set up the JDK here. Okay. Now, see here. I want to set up the Java here, Java C. So I just want to run the Java file. For that, I need the Java compiler. And then I will take the Jenkins installation. Yes, I took this. Now check the Java C here. Yes, it's working fine. Now I would like to install the Jenkins here. Okay, now you can check the Jenkins version here. Okay, sorry. It should be hyphen hyphen version. Okay, fine. Now I just want to set up the Jenkins. For that, I need the IP address. And the Jenkins will be running on the port number like 88. Now take this. Cat. Okay. And I'm just checking this. And then click on the continue here. And here I can see install suggested plugins. Now in meantime, what I will do, I will write one Java file. Okay. I will write one Java file. So mkdir Java underscore pro underscore 9. Okay, I just want to make this project as a Git project. Git init. And then now I just want to create a Java file, nano hello.java. And here I'm writing the Java class here, public class hello. Public static void main string args. And then system dot out dot println of hello world. Okay, now just save this file, and then now I just want to execute my Java program. So Java C hello.java. Oh my goodness, there is some mistake here. Yeah. Java C hello.java Java hello. Sorry. Java hello. You can see the output here. Okay, good. Now I have the developer written some code here. Okay, the developer has written some code. And now the developer is going to push the code to the GitHub repository. So to push the code to the GitHub repository, we need to create a repository in the GitHub. So I'm just going to my GitHub here. I'm choosing a new repository. And I'm defining the name of the project here like a Java pro underscore 9. Okay. Create a repository. Now I just need to add the remote repository to the Git client. Okay, I'm taking that and I am adding it here. Okay, now I just want to config the username and email here. Git config hyphen global user dot name, sorry, user dot email. Okay, and I Why?
Global spelling is incorrect. GLOBAL.
Okay, okay. Okay, and then the next here is the username. And here, yes. Okay, so here we have configured the username and everything. Okay, now I just want to check the git status here. Okay, now I just want to git add dot, and then I just want to check the status again. Yes, now git commit -yum. Okay, batch 9 first commit. Okay, right now I need to push the code. So to push the code, git push origin master. It is asking me to enter the username, Praveen, and it's asking me to enter the password. So already we learned about how to generate the password, right? So I'm taking this settings here and developer settings and personal access token classic, and I'm just deleting this. Okay, let me regenerate this token. Confirm my token, regenerate. Now the token was regenerated here, and then just add it and then enter. Now the code was pushed to the central repository here. This is what my project. Just to refresh this. Yeah. Okay, now I'm taking this copy of this URL. Okay. Why? Because I just want to write a pipeline, and that pipeline should run this Java code. Okay. For that, my Java code is available in this repository. So go to the Jenkins dashboard, click on new item here, and then just write project and then pipeline and click on OK. And you can see the pipeline script. Okay, pipeline script directly you can add here. Okay, otherwise you can add the pipeline with the SEM. Okay, you can add the pipeline with the SEM. Okay, so shall we write the pipeline now here? Shall we write the pipeline here? Let's say yes or no. So,
Yes, yes, yes.
right. See, if your pipeline is in the source code management tool, then you can choose this one. Okay, you can add the source code management tool like Git, and you can add the URL here. But I just want to write the pipeline script here. Then. Okay, so let's see how I'm writing this pipeline. So pipeline should begins with a pipeline. And then agent in. And then you need to start with the stages. Stages. Okay, I'm just increasing the here, font here. Stages. And then under the stages, I just want to tell that, okay, you go and check out. Stage means nothing but some information. So under the stages, I should write some steps. So in that steps, I just want to tell something like git checkout code. Okay, checkout code. And then just add the curly brace. Sorry, 1 second. Stages and then stage. Sorry. Stage. And after the stage, write the steps here. Okay, in that you need to pull the code from the GitHub, or yeah, you need to pull the code from the GitHub. Pull the code from the GitHub. Okay, now write git and then just paste that URL of your code. Copy that. Oh, where is this? Yeah. Paste it. Okay, that's it. Now this one was done here successfully. This stage was completed here successfully. Now again, write one more stage. See, we are telling the pipeline, hey, the Java code is available in this particular command. You go and take. Now, next step here is stage. Okay. Now, under the stage,
having a
you are.
small doubt.
Let me complete, then you can ask the doubts. Okay, please. Please hold for a few minutes. Let me write the code. Yeah. Then compile the Java code. Compile the Java code and then steps. Okay, now under the steps, you are telling, okay, what I should echo, compile the Java. Okay, now how to run this Java code? For that, we have to tell the command, right? That command here I'm telling sh javac hello.java. Okay, this part also comes. After this, now I need to see here compilation will happen. The next thing here is I need to run the Java code. Okay, again, one more stage here. In that stage, I am telling running the Java application. Steps. Okay. Echo, you are telling, okay, what we are doing. Executing the Java code. Okay, or executing the Java application, whatever. Just write the steps here. And then sh. Okay, here I just want to run the Java code. For that, the command here is Java. Hello. Sorry. Java. Hello. That's it. Now you completed your pipeline. Okay. Now it should display some message. Okay, it was successful or it was a failure or something. Okay, post message. So here I'm going to keep some post message here. Post. If it is success, okay, come on, echo. Okay, I'm telling echo, hey echo, you just go and write something like pipeline executed successful. Okay, right. Suppose if it was failure, you should write something like this: failure. Okay, echo pipeline fail. Okay. Post success, post failure. Okay. Something I'm missing here. Okay, let me test this pipeline syntax. Okay.
So directly in ChatGPT we can make changes. It will give.
Hey, every time don't rely on ChatGPT every time.
Yes,
Okay? Try to get more information from other tools also. Okay, ChatGPT, it is a very friendly one. Okay, fine, I'm happy. Okay, but don't rely on that. We have some other tools also. Try to explore that.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah. So this is an AML code. I'm just testing it. Okay, it is telling me that it is a valid. Okay, it's okay. Huh. Anji, you ask me the question now. You can ask me the question now. Please tell me.
Okay, if we have an existing script, right? Through that, how can we run the pipelines?
Huh?
If
What
you
is
have
that?
the existing script, I mean, like if the script is already there,
Where? Where is your
I mean,
script? Is it in the
some
GitHub?
yeah, in some of the engineer
I told you, right? If it is a source code management tool, your script is available in the source code management tool. You choose the source code management tool, add the URL there. Okay.
just by adding that URL, you can get and
We
run.
can run. Yes. That one we will do in tomorrow class. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just applying it, saving it. Now I'm building this pipeline. It was failed. Let's see why it was failed here. Flow scripting column line number 33 startup failed. I think something I'm missing here. Some curly braces I'm missing. So what we are missing? Pipeline. Agent any. Stages. Stage. Steps. Get. And then stage. Compile Java code. Steps. Echo. SH. Okay. And then again stage. Steps. Echo. SH. Okay. And then Post success echo. Okay. Okay. Now run this and save it. Not build it now. So you can see the pipeline is running here. What is the output we got? Console output. You can see start the pipeline. Okay, Jenkins. Okay, cloning the remote Git repository. This is what my repository. Initializing this one, checking the Git version here and checking the Git username and everything. Okay, and then you can see the output here like finished with success. Okay, executing my Java application. What is the pipeline message I got here? Pipeline executed successfully. Pipeline executed successfully. Okay, understand clearly. You can see the pipeline overview here. It's starting, checkout code, compile the Java code, stages, one by one stages. First stage is checkout code. Second one is the compile Java code. Third one is running the Java code. And post actions successfully completed here. Pipeline executed successfully. Okay. You can view the classic console also. This is what the pipeline view. And okay. Stages, graph and stages. View classic console. And you can see the pipeline steps also here. Okay. And to view the pipeline structure here, we need to add some plugins. Okay. We should add some plugins. I hope you all understand what we have discussed today. Sorry. Yes, Priyanka, Anji, and Sai. Everybody understood or not?
Yeah, good
Yes,
Praveen.
Venkat.
Huh?
Yes, I understood.
Anyone have any doubts? Please let me know. Is it easy or not? It's very easy. You understand the structure, it will be very, very easy. I'm giving one task to you guys. I'm giving one task to you. Please make a note of that task. Please make a note of that task. This is for your practicals. Very simple tasks I will give you. Okay. Very simple tasks I will do. The task is write a pipeline to say hello. That's it. No need of any Java code or something. My very first task is very simple, guys. You write a pipeline and say hello world. You write a pipeline and say hello world. Is it easy or difficult? Very easy, right? You write a pipeline and say hello world. And then write one more pipeline. Just, I'm not asking anything to set up Java or something like that. Simply hello world. Second pipeline here is, second assignment here is, write a pipeline and display who is the username of your instance. I mean, I just want you to display who am I, pwd, and then ls. It means I just want to try to make you sure that how you can run the Linux commands using the pipeline. Okay. The third assignment here is write a pipeline and integrate the GitHub with your pipeline. Integrate the GitHub with your pipeline, where that project is a Java project, which is a hello world Java, Okay. So complete all these assignments, and tomorrow we will discuss some other new things. Okay. If not, don't worry. We will try to do it again in our class. Okay. Thanks for your time, guys. I hope you understand this class, and we'll catch up in tomorrow's session. Okay. Bye for now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.